What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now join me today, we've got the Focus. We have scratched the bumper a little bit trying to get it on the ramps, but that's low life. Yeah, so we're going to be fitting the front splitter in this video, and then we're going to do a following video with the side splitters. Picked them up off RS Parts on Facebook via Rob Galloway, so check him out if you want to pick them up for yourself. I think the front and the sides were 170 quid for the pair, so it's not too bad, especially when you compare it to like TRC, which is 230 odd quid. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and basically the whole process of us fitting it. If you go ahead and enjoy the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get straight into it. Weapon.
Oh yes.
Definitely zooming in on his face. Right, so to get the splitter on the car, you need to be able to bolt it through. Now on the Focus, you've got an under tray that sits in the way, so you can't actually access the bolts to tighten them up. So what we need to do is just take off this under tray. It's got some Torx screws. What are they, Ralph? T30? T30 screws, so get your T30 Torx bit, just undo all these bolts here, and this will then come off. And yeah, and then we can actually start bolting on the splitter. Lovely old job. Get that bad boy out of the way. Send it back. I'll get some bolts with this. Right, so next stage, boys, we've got the under tray off, as you can see. We're literally just going to hold it up to it, line it all up on the car. It's going to look something like that. And yeah, essentially just bolt it on. It's very warm, which is nice. It's like fucking freezing. Yeah. And that's my side of it as well, so that's where I'll be. Just bolt it on and go through.
What are we going to do? We're going to send it.
Yeah, if you feel your fingers up, you can feel it's like in line with the...
Yeah, it lights up. Yeah, should we send it?
Yeah, send it.
Is that broken, isn't it?
No, it's just hard.
Is it gone through?
Yeah. Right, boys, so we are now screwing it on the final touches. We've got it provisionally in place. We're just tightening up the bolts now, thanks to Ralph, who's helping us out. Yeah, so it's literally just a case of simply holding it up against the car and putting it in a position that you like, which we've got here, and then just drilling through the holes, obviously into the bumper. You do need to leave the sort of under tray off, because obviously you can't get the splitter back on if you haven't. So yes, that is what we're doing now. We're literally just going to tighten up the last few bolts, and yeah, then we're going to be ending the video there for the front splitter. So yeah, nice and easy.
I love it. Oh,
There we have it, lads. The splitter is now on the car. We've got George on the phone. All the bolts are tightened up. Literally just a case of holding it up against the car, doing up the bolts as you've just seen, and then there we go. Front splitter is now on. Next video is us going to be doing the side splitters at some point. I'm not going to be doing it right now because, as you can see, it's dark and cold outside, so we're going to be doing that in another video. But thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.